Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today during designing our website, I saw an issue, so I decided to discuss with you guys. So here was a problem that the verification is pending. Actually, the main reason is this, why this domain has been suspended. It means our domain is suspended. Don't worry, it is only due to the ICANN. Means if we didn't verify it, so the domain company has rights to suspend the domain. And here you can see its only solution is that we have to verify our email. The domain provider company will send an email to us, so we have to open our email. We should also check our spam folder. If there is no email, then there will be an option that we can ask them to resend the email. For that, we have to simply click on this. If we don't get the email, they will send again the email. We simply have to open the email and then we have to register our domain. If you have any other issue, you can ask in the comment. For the solution, I just opened email and verify the email. So here you can see the domain was suspended, but now the domain is not suspended yet. Yeah, here you can see. In a few moments, it will be live. Yeah, here you can see it was suspended, and I requested them to verify the email address. After verifying the email address, the domain is now active, and you can see it is working live. So thank you for watching. Goodbye and take care.